BMW X5 E53 fuse, second one, immediately blows, number 73, and it says radio, navigation, CD changer, and some telephone and many others. I have connected lamp is like fuse, but now it's okay, no more short. But before, when it was short, when fuse blowing, it's always lightning, but it's like fuse. And now, after I moved, I show what. After I moved cables here and here, short disappear and the radio start working. So yes. Now it's okay. It is something somewhere here short. To find it out, must disassemble everything and check lines, because I'm moving and it was again disappeared. Now it's okay, radio always on, no more problem. If it happens again, take apart everything and look where is something short, in here or here, I'm not sure. Yes, finish. And light is on. It means it's short. If it's short, what I have done, short disappear, radio wake ups. Is something here inside, you see. Yeah, short disappear. Let's try again, make something, this one. No, nothing. Oh, it was again short. So it's something inside, some cables. If you don't need this phone, just take apart and disconnect somewhere and maybe problem is solved. And this BMW, I have cut it with knife here, and I take out, and this cables is broken. Yes, and this one cut it. So just isolate those two plus wires. It's somewhere here broken, because this one nobody use anymore. This phone, it's just garbage. Before 15 years it was useful. Now is, and tape those and put everything back and finish. No more problem on fuse. I was thinking to remove this, but it's not moving, and after I decided just cut it here, and it's best way to fix this problem. I put some tape and put fuse and finish. BMW X5 E53 2005 or 6 year model.